more Americans appear to be trading in the drive-thru for their own kitchens.
Cooking at home is on the rise. In Kansas City, one business is using that momentum to grow. KSHB 41 consumer reporter Grant Stevens shows us how. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, I'm joining you from the kitchen here. And here's what really caught my attention. A local culinary school is opening that second location. And that got me thinking, if they're expanding, there has to be a real demand for cooking classes, right? And, well, there is. There is, for example, in an earnings call last year, Campbell's Soup said it found Americans are cooking more meals at home now than in the last 5 years, in part to save money. So I met with Darren Palmet, who's not just seeing that trend, he's building his business on it.
Kansas City has become a very big foodie town, so it was incumbent upon us to say, like, okay, can we bring this to even more people?
What are some of those reasons people bring to you when they say, this is why I wanted to do it?
The biggest reason is people aren't just looking for recipes anymore, they're looking for actual cooking technique and skill.
Here's where it connects to that national shift. Darren Palmet at the Culinary Center says Kansas Cityans want to cook, but people aren't satisfied just scrolling through recipes online.
The internet is flooded with recipes. I go to Instagram and I get recipes on my feed constantly, but people actually want the skills.
Surveys show more than 8 in 10 Americans are cooking most of their meals at home. HelloFresh's most recent State of Home Cooking Report finds 93% of Americans expect to cook as much or more this year than they did last year.
What does that tell you about where people's heads are at in the kitchen?
Let's face it, we're all facing inflation and that pressure. One of the trends that we've also seen is people want to make use of their food in the most efficient way.
Palmet says there's a desire to save money and eat healthier.
It's sort of a win-win when you replace that mentality of not recipes, but learning how to cook and learning all those skills. You actually can make the best use of your food budget.
But also to spend more time together.
We're seeing a return now to people wanting to spend more time in the kitchen, to be with their partners, to be with their families, to really learn the skill and the art of cooking, but do it in a way that's approachable and fun.
And they could do that at the Culinary Center of Kansas City's second Kansas City metro area location. They have one in Overland Park, but in March of 2026, they'll be opening one just north of the river in the village of Briarcliff.
I saw that was coming to the north.
Yeah, you're excited about that.
Yeah, and you know, you have a chance to make stuff in your own kitchen once you just know what to do.
It's
exactly.
Say the absolutely. It's big time. Grant, thank you very much. Grant does cover consumer news for us here at KSHB 41, not just kitchen-related stories. If you have a story you'd like him to look into, scan the QR code on your screen to connect with him directly or email him at grant.stevens@kshb.com.